You can log in into the Emirattax account using your login credentials or using UAE Pass. If you do not have an Emirattax account, you can sign up for an account by clicking the Sign Up button. If you have forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password feature to reset your password. If you log in via your registered email and password, on successful login, the Emirattax online user dashboard will be displayed. If you had opted for two-factor authentication, you will be required to enter the OTP received in your registered email and mobile number to successfully login. If you wish to log in via UAE Pass, you will be redirected to UAE Pass. On successful UAE Pass login, you will be redirected back to the Emirattax online user dashboard. Click here to select the user type. Select the taxable person tile. Click on Proceed to the taxable person. Click here to view the taxable person dashboard. Click here to access excise tax module. Click here to view the dashboard of non-registered businesses. This dashboard displays information related to the business details of non-registered business for excise tax. Click on Add Business Details to add your business details. These are the instructions and guidelines which detail key information such as required templates, supporting documentation, eligibility criteria, and the expected time to complete the business details of non-registered businesses. Mark the checkbox to confirm that you have read and understood the instructions and guidelines. Click on Back to go back to the previous page. Click on Start to proceed to the business details. The progress bar displays the number of steps required to complete the non-registered business details. The step you are currently in is highlighted in blue. Once you progress to the next section successfully, the previous step will be highlighted in green. Enter all the mandatory details when type of business is natural person. Enter passport details. Click on Add button or drag and drop your files to upload a copy of passport. On successful upload of document, the Add button will be highlighted in green. Click on Previous to go back to the previous section. Click on Save as Draft to save the non-registered business details. Click on Next Step to proceed to next section. Click on Add License to enter trade license details. Enter trade license details. Click on Add button or drag and drop your files to upload the copy of trade license. On successful upload of document, the Add button will highlight in green. Click here. Click on Add Business Activities. Enter the business activity details. Click on Add to update business activity. The business activities added are populated in the non-registered business details form. Click on ellipsis to edit or delete the business activity details. Click on Add Owner to add a owner to the non-registered business registration form. Enter the owner details. Click on Add button or drag and drop your files to upload the copy of passport. On successful upload of document, the Add button will highlight in green. Enter the passport details. Click on Add to update owner details. The owner details added are populated in the non-registered business details form. Click on ellipsis to edit or delete the owner details. Click on Next Step to proceed to next section. Enter the contact details. Click on Next Step to proceed to next section. Enter the bank details. Click on Add button or drag and drop your files to upload copy of bank authorization letter. On successful upload of document, the Add button will highlight in green. Click on Next Step to proceed to next section. Click on Add Authorized Signatory to add authorized signatory details. Enter authorized signatory details. Enter passport details of authorized signatory. Click on Add button or drag and drop your files to upload the required document. On successful upload of document, the Add button will highlight in green. Click on Add to update the authorized signatory details to non-registered business details form. The authorized signatory details added are populated in the non-registered business details form. Click on ellipsis to edit or delete the authorized signatory details. This section displays your completed business details form and allows you to review it prior to submission. Click here to expand/collapse all steps at once. Click here. Click on the drop-down arrow to review the details in this step. Click on Edit to update the details in this section. Click on each step to review every section. Mark the checkbox once you have reviewed all the information given in each step. Click on Submit to submit the non-registered business details form. You have successfully submitted the non-registered business details. Make a note of the application number for future reference. You can also access this business details from the non-registered business excise tax refunds tile within the excise tax module. Click on ellipsis to view or edit the non-registered business details.